TownSq community. So here's the app. It's a popular app for kind of like community living. Design a single source of truth for managing communities. TownSq community delivers the most complete mobile community experience by helping you connect, collaborate, and stay informed on everything happening in your community, from daily management and ongoing maintenance to community programs and events. Our communities use TownSq community to empower community management teams, board members, and residents to experience community their way. So here's the app. I don't know, like which, maybe you need to be a specific member or rent a property in that community, and you need to be in there. Maybe it's only in specific countries like Brazil, so you need to have your also account number, and then it's kind of like the group community board group chat where you can just manage all of it in here. So yeah, that's what it is.